Hello again, welcome to the RMDTRADER channel, your gateway to the markets. We are now ready to open our RMDTRADER real account for MetaTrader 5. If you need to revisit one of the earlier steps in the application process or start from the beginning, please click on the card up top to go to the introduction playlist. Otherwise, let's go into it. The first step is to download the trading system and open the account with passwords provided via the website login. Once you are logged in with the dashboard open, you can click on the MetaTrader 5 button on the left-hand side and then click on the download button. The next page will show you details regarding installation and features of MetaTrader 5. At the bottom, you can select your preferred platform. Windows for desktop and Android or iOS for mobile. I'm using Windows, so I'll be selecting the Windows desktop installation. Once the download is complete, you can select the Run button to start with the installation. Next, we have the license information. Here you can click next to start installation. Once it's done installing, you can click on the Finish button. If you go to your desktop, you will now see the RMDTRADER MetaTrader 5 icon on your desktop. The next step is to link your RMDTRADER real account to the MetaTrader 5 system. We're back on the RMDTRADER website. From the dashboard, you will see the Trading Accounts tab in the middle. Let's click on the Open Account button. On the next screen, you now have the option to select which platform you want to open an account for. We'll be covering the investment platform account in a separate video. So for now, let's go ahead and click on the Trading Account MT5 button. Next, you can select which type of account you want to open. A hedging account gives you the opportunity to hold long and short positions on the same symbol at the same time. On a netting account, you cannot hedge positions on the same symbol, so all positions for the same symbol will be netted down into a single position. Let's select the netting account option. Also make sure you have your preferred currency selected. Next, we have to enter our profile password. This is your RMDTRADER login password. The system will now generate your unique MT5 account number and password. We will use the first password next to account number to log into MT5. We now need to do two things before we proceed. First, we need to copy this password. We will use this password to link the desktop MT5 trading system with your newly created real account. Second, we need to remember our MT5 customer number. This can also be found under Trading Accounts in the Account Summary tab. Let's now go back to our desktop and open the RMDTRADER MetaTrader 5 system. From the File drop-down menu, select the Open an Account button. RMDTRADER will automatically be selected, so we just click on the Next button. Select the Connect with an existing account option. For the login name, we need to use your MT5 real account number. For example, 10089. Next, we paste in the password we copied earlier. You can still find it on your dashboard profile under Trading Accounts, Account Summary tabs by clicking the eye on the right. The server option will already be set to RMDTRADER Live, so we can now select the Finish option. Your MT5 trading system is now set up and linked to your real account. You will also receive an email confirming that you have opened a live account on MetaTrader 5. Congratulations, you are now ready to trade with MetaTrader 5. Before you move into the next video, please like and comment if you find these videos helpful. Also make sure to subscribe. We will soon be publishing our first series of quick tips on how to maximize the platform and streamline your trading experience. Less time, more productivity. You can now continue to the investment platform registration video or go to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, trade smart, trade successful.